Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki Paidbah nong siong shnong lembat kinong ilam shnong jongkarat Madan Kyrdem hagasni sejan jongka kat kendai terik ubenai rempang arajar arpuar kilapan bek triang ban ailat da lele ruem ban Shna ya ka solid waste management lani ka Jaka Thehñiut hagasnong Mawlwai. Kani ke jing persya jong ki Paidbah ka right Madan Kyrdem kalanang yo jing kersyan syushu na giken hun baper kum ka ribhoi dorbar ka ribhoi youth federation ka voice of the people bri Thehñiut ribhoi district ka eastern ribhoi development council bat na ki sordar jong ki shnong ki bahab hapo ka right Madan Kyrdem. Haga jingilang ka balalong haga shnong nong tamai ki Paidbah kila shim ya karai ban nomai lat hiru dalele bantei ya kani ka Jaka Thehñiut haga shnong Mawlwai bar haga jokapor kila dawaru ya ka sorkar jela bahkan penkenria no ya kani ka project syakiwei ki Jaka nrai hari bhoi district.
Ini persya ya ka jingfu jeng ka sorkar banbu ya ka Jaka Thehñiut hapo ka shnong Mawlwai. Ya kani kecingmu nimsem lah rai kensan aku kaprakri ku Januari arajar aku hendenadu usam arajar kanyo kabana kalian kasorga kalau jingmu banwat jaga di kan boy nadu kitu gisam arajar kanyo ngira penpawi kecing persya hagitu ki agent ki bawan ye kendu yang ni da kecingmu baong banginem persya ya kecingmu jugi banwat jaga agatan haki dong Haga district, Ribhoi district. Nilayaw kenduk ya kinong yalam Islam. Ni berpawal kecikman itu Islam. Bau presiden jungi dapo kemawati circle. Ubaderu urang basong juga song mau dengan. Haga han mawati ulang pensau sengi kinong yalam keseng. Iba kliduk bangga jingmu ke sorkar kalau menbu ya kata ka Jaka Thehñiut hapo ke senong jongu. Banyak kalian junguru ulang baimat ba lada ka RWF kampersya ngiru nyimpersya Henry kaya kenteng ka pengilakran segi kalau bengi ka RWF nginumlah bangprian baka riboy kalong ka dustbin jong kiwe pat ki district ki balan hapo ka jela ka jungi kaju dia kasur habang iyo gintip no nadu warzar nyo ngirai krane kata Henry ngintip ba kadang ke salandak pat kajing temu jom kita ki agent bat kinong yang sorkar ban le pat ki kran sakithan mawati nari pat ki tho etam penbian pat hapo keslong Mawlwai jong karat Madan Kyrdem ngimpoi kenmau ban ngimpoi perkat ba kajing temu jom kini kalau hang teh mawati kalau tang bandai bat jika main jom kinong yang seng nari boy district Bakinong kan mau ya katakan right Madan Kyrdem hendak dipelai jimut baik siapa mau hati. Long gembayu terang busen. Bantip pat babaro kilenti jongkaan. Kata kalan aku sisirah. Lapendap hapok kani kajika. Ngamla bermundur bakata ka kilala pelak ya kata ka SIA ka bationg ngidang imuktiar ni sekolah sibit. Ha kabili bakane ka social impact assessment. Ngamtip kilala NM Hanya kira poin na sadu ke public hearing. Kapag yung bangira debru ke public hearing, setang bansiwi kepisa, yang kitray sa kahajong katay ke Mawlwai. Banleno pat ya kanika, Jaka Thehñiut, jong katay is kasihil Ribhoi district.
Doon niya ka social impact assessment. Kung maungo, babi pulman. Kawan semua ka social impact assessment ban kali kumno ka kata kani ka project yakin nong sok nong bagi para macam kata ka ban ko ngaya kani ka ante koridor ka sing embrio sa kumno ka kata ebi harang susi ban ong ba ka to ka public hearing ka baghibo ha Mawlwai yana bikam yala ban ong ngimtre Yon ay katakanlah bandai yantai banong ngimtre. Hantala pagkayupay kaan bat ni Don Kam. Kumbaong babubin sa mga ni hapan apili kata sa udap ditulis. So DC. Nalor kata ketika Jaka kumbangan susu. Kadai ka Jaka kabadon ka Jaka rep, kadon ka Jaka umbang undi, kadon ka klau. But hang ni apa kan ka ai. Ke LARR Act kat arja kat ai. Na lupa dia ka Jaka rep kampam ka Jaka berperuman umbit bang kata. Dengar apa buku? Umbit bang kata. Ada ke sorkar kalian buri kalian sop nama kumba ongga tu kucing ruai mana habala jur kasbai lupa ya kalian not ni kinong rem jong kacai penriu kalian not ni ka hok kajong Paidbah halar ka hindo ka siap kalian not kampam ya kalawai jong kini di bedang red ya kalawai kapaten ka bomba. Na puli ya ka ni ka ba ki ong bawanra usaw ba lodar ha ka sanitary land pili anda puli kani ka long defective lupa namar balay ka sakawi ka an pa kata ka dai ka solid waste management rules arja ka habang puli kani nagpat bagi sampai ba karul ka bagi padan ka mangni kani karul araja kani ani kito solid waste management and handling rules araja kadba kaiba ka sarkar ka hukum the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change recently notified the new solid waste management rules 2016. These will replace the municipal solid waste management and handling rules arja. Kalau replace, ya kini dia. Kalau lebih, kesorka MDA kepada kaum dekaan kepada yap, pandai bor ya kiham ni. Tak kadau kadang rem mentah banyak dia dah kebat sisa. Ka Riboy Dorbar, ka Eastern Riboy Development Council Kaladawa, Bandon ka Civil Subdivision, ha Patar Kaba, ha Umsning, ban ha Bhairembo. Ki ong ba kani ka project kanong ispa krur. Denong, ispa krur. Tangga bay Jaka ne ya syong ya ken ne si pang la ken si po tengkar mut bakan ai sarkar hadin musim tu bak ludah igi try Jaka si po tengkar square foot anak ken tengah ada experience kali kan poi la kumno hapo santo ba sispa kror kinyo nanti igi try Jaka kan no kinyo cuma ya kan sama ki ka pa apa ki ate igi sisa yo le say you try Jaka san pula haga plau buat lodar pada di Pokro. Mo, nalor kata kami kata, buat lada sim ke sorkar, ya kani ke Jaka. Lada kampen don kami ya kani, ya ke projek bakasin. Ki Paidbah gidang don ke hok pandawai ke pisah, halor ke Jaka lada kidio so. Ki Paidbah gidon ke hok, bakin yo ya ke pisah, mendai tadi itu ditara Jaka. Kibarep bariang di pembidan kami kau pembidan kami dia itu pisah Henry kumalong mata pihak kuat kata kasbay rupa ke pemhok pihak kuat kata kasbay rupa ke pemhok tak ada kasur macam nyamtre nomor balai kapisah ke bekim pelut ya Thehñiut kan dia ya kan jebok kan jaban kan jimpang dagi spa kru. Balai yang kacau kapisah human right nilai teliti civil subdivision namar hakan ni kapor kapa dan siap kan ni klam COVID ini ki ong pek buat dan ho. Dalam ki kap patang ya ki kamera ki para kim lak ban keduk ki kseu kena jong namar beli yo pang namar beli ngai trot. Dena. Pengidon kami mereka sorkar ke Kamjan supaya ke governance kata ke baki ongkar kom sensar Paidbah dan kami amba ke civil subdivision kan don hangte habai rembong dena tengah kerpa kumba ong Ubabusan like Pyneh. Respected Chief Minister, bring your administration closer to the people. Give them a civil subdivision that will serve their needs for this pandemic and the next pandemic. Naman ki pandemic tinangwan. To be very crude, don't throw the shit of Shillong in one right. Simple. What one bread you can look here, what one bread you can pang. Kacing hala kajungi kariban sawah, how kacing talk. Balai, ka projek kalayak lupa. Nanor panong kita ka projek kalayak lupa. Ke airport kajingan ikat nonang ni, kakar kilometer. Kani ka anjong ka sorkat India ko ong kamdei bandong hapo ka arpo kilometer napo ke airport. Mayaban? Harjo ka por, ka ong ba, sanspa arspa meter na ka highway. Nagi Jaka sa ki beriu, nagi Jaka ki public park, but ki water supply well, but arpo kilometer na ke airport. Kakar kilometer. Sakaway, Jaka Thehñiut, Jaka Thehñiut, kadai bandong hapo arpusan kilometer na Sorslong. Kano kilometer na Slong hangin de sabusan kilometer. Hado hangtay kan po isan po, hado te Mawlwai. Kasorkar kamla pangkani di ain ngajo. Hanor kini ginawrem kan yen kasorjong Paidbah. Kamalai, Laong, management of waste in hilly areas as per the new rules kat kung ki an tumay bataw ka Sarkar India. Construction of landfills on hills shall be avoided. Kung nakpan Shna hatong lo, dahil ang mga nagkita Jaka lo. Kung ba ang ibabubinsan man na, kirang basnong kidai ban wengno ya ka NOC la ni ka no objection ki jongki namar mangi Paidbah matakaski ni object halor kanong rim jong ka ay nim ay mangi ka objection sa binki.
Message to the government, as I have already said, so the same thing I will repeat, that the River as a whole, we are going along with the sentiments of the people of right Madan Kyrdem, and we cannot go against it, and that is the reason that we came here to oppose the project of the government supposed to be set up at Mawlwai village. So we came here as an opposition to the project of the government. We can't say it outrightly about that, but it seems, as far as we came to know about the process that they have been doing here, it seems that there is such and such thing that they are practicing, and they are trying to get the project done by hook or by crook. Next step, we have got that the public hearing, that is the first step. We will attend that, and then number two, we can go for legal procedures also if the result of the public hearing is against the will of the people and against the sentiment of the people.
You see, the problem of the solid waste management is a universal problem. And landfills are not the answer. And they have said that they are going to have a scientific processing and etc. etc. But the point is that solid waste management starts at the source. This is the sum of the rules, which are the solid waste management rules 2016. So what has happened is these rules, they are working towards, the houses, the industries, the hospitals that are producing the waste, they should try to manage it first. It's not that they'll keep on bringing out waste and this will be brought somewhere and this burden will be shifted to other communities or other areas. So basically now the need for managing waste is a very important need in modern society, but the point is that you cannot shift it to other areas. And the guidelines are very clear. It should be, the airport should be, it should not be less than 20 kilometers from the airport. Then apart from that, water sources have to be protected. Then apart from that, not only the water sources have to be protected, the other aspect is that proper following of the right to fair compensation and transparency in land question. It has to be followed properly. Because right now there is a manipulation. I can say that. There is a grave manipulation for which the government has to be made accountable. The civil aviation authorities will not be able to override the provision of law to make a special consideration, because this provision is applicable to the whole of India. It is applicable to all airports. It doesn't mean that just because we are here in the hill areas that they make a consideration, they make a special consideration, because pollution, contamination is the same everywhere. It's either air contamination, water contamination, or even ground contamination. So these rules cannot be, you cannot just shift them for political convenience. The rules have to be applied in toto. And this is where the people, their voice has to be, they have to act as a watchdog, that these are being properly done. So there is no question of airport authority giving an amnesty and this. Then what is the use of the rules? What is the use of the law if you can just bypass all these laws?